Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a flight on the Air Cairo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the this menu button and click on the plan trip option at the top, and then click on book a flight, which is the second option. Then you should select your departure point. You can either type it in into the search bar at the top or select one from the list, and then you should select your destination. After that, select the trip type, one way, round trip, or multi-destinations. Then you should set the departure and the number of passengers, including adults, childs, and or children and infants. Then click on the book now button, and then you will be able to check out the available flights. It might take a few seconds till it loads in, and then you can check out the relevant results. So here you can find them. Tap on the continue button to finalize the process of payment. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.